sure you got this photo thing being delivered here. Kane's picture's gonna be here, right?
I got it all taken care of, Triple H. You can count on me.
All
You
right.
can count on Patterson and Briscoe. Don't
No, I
worry.
can't. We'll show that thing to the world.
Hold on a second. Run this by me one more time. The thing about Undertaker.
Okay, listen. Everybody else is booked up. Rock, Kane, everybody, right? Undertaker was supposed to have a match with you tonight. That's what was booked. But Undertaker pitched a fit about it. Said that you weren't in his league. You didn't belong in the ring with him.
He said he can beat you in 2 minutes.
He said it was an insult to get in the ring with you, Bull.
Can
Really?
you believe that? Hey, can you ride a bike?
Man.
Well, this just happens to be a pretty nice bike right here, and the keys just happen to be in it. I'll tell you what, Bull. That's Taker's bike. Why don't you go show the Undertaker just whose league you're in?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, man.
Come on,
baby
do
up.
that.
Fire
Come on,
it up.
fire that bad boy up, Bull.
Come on, Bull. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That ain't very smart, Bull. Hey, wait, there's Undertaker. Bull, get out of there. There's the Undertaker, King. And Bull is leaving on the Undertaker's motorcycle. That's Grand Theft Auto, isn't it? So what do you call that? What do you call that, JR? That's carjacking. Undertaker just is commandeering that vehicle. Look out, look out. Undertaker in hot pursuit of Bull Buchanan.
Did you see that? Oh, that was great.
Can you believe that? How hot was the Undertaker?
He was hot,
See the
man.
look in his
Oh my
eyes?
God! Hey, listen. Now that we got loose ends tied up around here, I'm gonna go get ready for my match. I gotta get taped up.
gotta-
Good job, guys.
Go ahead,
Pictures
man.
are on the way, Hunter. The pictures are on the way.
Jerry, we can't forget about the picture. It's very important.
Oh, Mr. McMahon's going to be so proud of us. I
Very
guarantee.
important.
What is this? There's Chris Harley. Briscoe's a hardcore champion. And Chris Harley assaulting both Patterson and Briscoe. What's that idiot doing? Look out! Hey! Get out of there, Briscoe! Briscoe running for his life.
Briscoe, man! Briscoe!
I don't know what else he's doing. I don't know what else can happen here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, but Bull Buchanan got some bad advice. Going for a joyride on the Undertaker's motorcycle.
And now the Undertaker, he carjacked somebody's vehicle and he's chasing Bull Buchanan through the streets of St. Louis.
Well, it's Undertaker's property.